This tutorial will help you familiarize yourself with SeeSaw's main screen. This is the main screen of your student's SeeSaw app. We are currently looking at the journal view because the book icon and journal has been selected. The journal view is an ongoing feed of work posted to the student's journal by their teacher. Next to the journal icon is the activities light bulb. This is where you will find activities or assignments that have been posted by your student's teacher. Next to the activities light bulb, you will find the inbox. This is where you may find announcements that have been sent by your student's teacher. Back on the journal page, next to the date at the top, you will see a calendar icon. Clicking that calendar icon will give you a calendar, which is another way to find things posted by your student's teacher. You can click on the desired date, and any items posted on that date will show up below. Next to your student's name on the right, you may also see a folder icon. Clicking on the folder icon opens another window. This is where you will be able to search for activities or assignments that have been put into a folder by your child's teacher based off content area. This is also where you can go to find the SeeSaw Caregiver's Guide at any time. If you are having any difficulty navigating SeeSaw's main screen, please reach out to your child's teacher.